Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off your DJI Osmo Mobile 8. To turn it on or off, there are two methods of doing that. The first one is pressing and holding on the mode button. When you press and hold on it, it will be turned on or off, as you can see. So that is pretty easy. I can turn it on as well. Then if you'd like to do it with a different method, you can simply rotate it like that, and then fold it. So this notch right here goes into this little place for the notch, and when you unfold it, see, this is the place for the notch. When you unfold it, it simply turns on automatically. So these are two methods of doing that. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.